Oh my goodness, you guys, I had a different video planned for today, but this box came in and I'm so excited, and I just figured we had to open it together. There's a lot of good stuff in here, and so I think we should just open it together. Don't you think? I think it'd be fun. Guys, Bondi Sands is my favorite. I absolutely love it. I rave about them all the time. It's really fun to try new things and share new stuff with you guys. I keep coming back to my Bondi Sands because it's good. I love it. It's like Christmas morning. Almost better. No, that's not true. Nothing beats Christmas morning. So, it doesn't look very big, but there's a lot of fun stuff in here. So, let's just dive in. What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, what's up? My name is Charlene Town. We talk all things health, fitness, beauty, lifestyle, because it's all about being confident, being beautiful, and being you. And if you've been with me for a little while, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. It really means the world to me. This is gonna be such a fun video today. If you guys have been with me for even a minute, you guys will know I love self-tanner. I've been trying a lot of different self-tanners lately, but I always go back to my Bondi Sands because it's just my favorite color. It wears the best, it lasts the longest on me. You get the deal. I'm a fan. When I went to make my typical order of my ultra dark and my 3-hour express, they had so many new goodies on the website, and so I'm so excited. I can't even remember all. I kind of blacked out just a little bit, and I got all the fun things. So without further ado, let's open this box and see all the goodies inside. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this box, you guys. Is there anything more satisfying than opening boxes? I don't know. Maybe them on your front porch. Seeing that box delivered. Anybody else love that? It's kind of an addiction right now. Especially with like COVID, everything gets delivered these days. So it's like, is there anything on my front porch today? Okay. So I got just some of the basic stuff that I needed. Their back applicator is absolutely fantastic. I just needed the extra reusable pads. I ran out of mine a couple months ago. They no longer sell just the pads, so I had to get a whole new one, which is kind of a drag because it's kind of a waste. But I love this thing. It saves me, so I got a new one of these. It also comes with 3 extra pads, so that's great. The back applicator is amazing. Love it. Can't recommend it enough. I got a new exfoliator mitt because I had one from Loving Tan for years, like years and years and years, and it finally got a hole in it. So I figured, let's get a new mitt. Ooh. Oh no, I thought it was cushy, but it's not. It's just a typical mitt. Let's see. An exfoliator mitt is absolutely necessary. You want to remove all of the self-tanner, any dry, dead skin cells off your body before you tan to have the cleanest, smoothest, most even tan you can get. The exfoliator mitt is absolutely my favorite way to do that. Woo! Okay, ultra dark because it's my fave. So then they have this whole pure line, which I got a bunch of the stuff. So I'm gonna put this aside. We'll do it all together. What else do we get? 1-hour express in case I'm short on time. And it's a great color. Love it. 2 ultra darks because we know. It's okay. We know. I totally forgot I got. Oh my goodness, you guys. I'm so excited about this. Okay. Okay, you guys, this allegedly is a drying powder. So it's a self-tan drying powder. Instantly dries self-tan, reduces transfer and stickiness. That's right up my alley. I hate being sticky. Hate it. Love being tan. Love self-tanner. Hate that wet, yucky, blech. I can't stand being wet and sticky and yucky. So I'm super excited. Also, whoa. Okay, it's already messy. That's kind of a drag. Can you guys see that? That's kind of a drag. It's gonna be one of those packages where you like tap it into the lid and then swirl it around. This was supposed to come with a brush. This is a body brush. So what you do is is you take this like kabuki style brush, which Morphe has a really cool one, which I think I might actually like better because it's bigger. Ooh, but this is nice. Ooh, this is nice. This will be nice. This is a really good body brush, actually. I like that. It's dense enough. So what I'll do is you take this, I'll swirl it around in here, and you basically just like pat yourself dry. So I'm really excited. I'm really excited to try this. I'm kind of bummed that it's already spilling out a little bit, but I'll let you guys know how this goes. If this really works, I love the Bondi Sands Ultra Dark Not in the Aero formula. I feel like it gets way darker. Maybe because you leave it on for 8 hours, maybe because it doesn't have that quick dry formula. Feel like I remember it being so much darker. Maybe not so much darker, but I remember it being darker. So if I can use the regular one that stays sticky all the time, but make it not sticky and get my really, really dark tan that I really, really want, this could be really fun. So I'm excited to play around with this. Because yeah, I just really hate being sticky. Being sticky is kind of the worst thing in the world for me. Okay, so I got this Pure Self-Tanning Water. So this is supposed to be really hydrating. There's no scent, there's no color guide to it. You just put it on your mitt and rub it on. It's supposed to dry down. You dry down, right? This colorless, fragrance-free formula is quick drying and gentle for sensitive skin. So I'm excited about this. This is not an ultra dark formula. This is just their normal dark formula. So I know this isn't going to be as dark as I really want it to be. What I bought this for is so during the summer when I have a tan already, because I like to be in the sun, I always wear my sunscreen. Sunscreen, but I'm a sun baby. I love being in the sun. When I go to Maui, I want something that I don't have to sit in for hours and hours, like with a bronzer guide. I could easily pop this on and wear it at night. I could pop this on a no makeup day and wear it all day long. So I'm excited to try this and play around with this. Anybody interested in a demo? I think we should do a demo because this would be really fun. So I'm super excited to try this. Ooh, I'm really excited for this, and I actually really need this. This Pure Face Tanning Mist. These face tanning mists have been all the rage. I keep hearing a lot of people talk about them. There's a lot of different brands that do them. It's a little bottle. I'm assuming you spray this on like a toner. It says, ensure your face is clean, dry, and free from any products. Shake well before use. Hold a bottle away from your face. Close eyes and spray 4 to 6 pumps of the tanning mist evenly over your face and neck, blending gently into skin with application mitt. For a deeper tan, reapply as required. I'm excited for this because I want something that I can put on my face before I put on my skincare or, wash my face. Pop this on before bedtime because I wash and exfoliate my skin every day. So my face obviously fades way faster than my body. And I use the Aero Liquid Gold because it does not have a bronzer guide for my face. But that's not specifically made for your face. And this is. So I wanted to give this a try. I want to see if this breaks me out. My Aero Liquid Gold doesn't break me out. Like none of my formulas that I've ever used from Bondi Sands in the tanning foams have messed with my face or caused me to break out. Their gradual tanning milk moisturizer that's supposed to gradually tan your face, that breaks me out. So I do not use that anymore. I really like it for the color, but it causes little pustules on my face and ain't nobody got time for that. So I'm excited to play around with this and try this out. And I actually desperately need to spray my face. So I will be doing this later today. So that'll be really fun. I'm excited to try this. And then I was interested in this. I do use my Jergens Natural Sheer Glow lotion as like my daily apply that just because it helps extend the life of your tan. It helps even out any little areas like because you take showers and I work out every single day, so it rubs away the tan. So I use that to even out my tan and I love it. But they have in their Pure line, it's called, what are you guys called? They're just called self-tanning drops. And you add them to any moisturizer that you have. So that's really exciting. It says clean, simple, transparent. Pure Self-Tanning Drops by Bondi Sands combines our iconic golden glow with hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, and vitamin E for repair. Create a customized glow by mixing our colorless, fragrance-free formula with your favorite moisturizer. How fun is that? Oh, it says you can use this on your face too. That's That's exciting. Okay, so it says add 4 to 12 pure self-tanning drops to your moisturizer. Mix well and apply it evenly over face and neck, avoiding eyes. Oh, this is specifically for your face. Oh, I thought this was for your body. Well, that's kind of a drag. I thought that this was for your body. I guess now I have 2 things that I can play around with my face. We'll play around with it because it says, I mean, basically you mix it up as much as you want. 4 to 12 drops. I feel like you could get pretty dark with that, that's cool. That's really cool. And then last but not least, this is kind of where I blacked out. Did I need this? No. Do I need any of this? No. I'm excited, guys. So I got, ta-da, just some tanning clothes, you guys. They're just some really lightweight black pants. I'm just tired of ruining my clothes. It's just, you know, big cozy jammies. I've been thinking about starting to tan at night before bed so that I don't waste a whole day, especially now that it's sunny outside. Liv wants to be outside. When it's rainy and cold outside, it's cool. We play inside. It's not a big deal. I just sit in my self-tanner all day. But if I can sleep in jammies that I don't care if it ruins, you know. So, I mean, they're not flattering. They're not cute. They're not supposed to be. You don't want anything tight and cute. But now I can be a little Bondi Sands babe. I'm excited. So cute. They're nice and stretchy. They're just a really nice soft cotton, so they'll be nice and lightweight. But this is just so that I have something to throw on. You know what I'm saying? Like, you just want something that's baggy and comfy and cozy. And I love that it's long sleeve. I was thinking it would be nice to have it be short sleeve, but when I tan during the day, Liv's still crawling all over me. And so I always end up in a long sleeve or a sweatshirt anyway. So this is perfect. It's lightweight. So even if I do tan during the day, I can wear it. It's not gonna be too hot. I'm excited. So that's it. That was my really fun unboxing with Bondi Sands. If any of you guys are interested in what the pure tanning water looks like and how it applies, how it wears, what it looks like in the end, leave me a comment in the comments down below because I would love to film that for you. If you guys have any tanning questions, if you guys have any like application questions, leave me a comment in the comments down below. I could easily do a review on the face stuff over on my Instagram once I've tried it and played around with it. Maybe I'll just do a little reel of me applying the face stuff and then what it looks like the next day. I mean, if you guys are interested in something like that, it would probably be easier on my Instagram. You can go follow me over there. I'm at the Sick Fit Chick. Would love to have you guys over there. I also have my StyleByChar Instagram, which I just got a really beautiful mirror, so I'll be doing a lot more content over there because I didn't have the right setup to do what I needed to do for that. So we're gonna get rolling on that one. So go follow me on my Instagrams. I'm at the Sick Fit Chick and StyleByChar. If you guys want more of me, if this was content that you guys like to see, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. It lets YouTube know that this is a good video, so it'll push it out to more people. Also, if you hung in till the end, don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell because it'll let you know when my next video comes out. That's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick, fun unboxing with Bondi Sands, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Bye!